Welcome. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
This podcast is for real English, easy English, daily English.
Yes, English you can use in real life.
Today's topic is travel experiences.
Talking about trips, talking about places, talking about memories.
If you like learning English with us,
Please like the podcast
subscribe to the channel.
and share it with a friend.
Okay, relax. Get comfortable. Let's learn together.
Talking about travel experiences. Section 1. Talking about past trips. David, do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
Me too. Traveling is fun.
Let's start with a simple sentence.
Listen first.
I traveled to Goa.
Again, I traveled to Goa.
Good job. Now you try.
You can say, I traveled to Delhi. I traveled to Mumbai.
Travel plus place.
Very easy. Section 2. Asking about travel.
Now, let's ask a question.
Listen.
Where did you travel?
Again, where did you travel?
Simple answer.
I traveled to Jaipur.
Good. Short and clear.
David, where did you travel last year?
I traveled to Kerala.
Oh, nice. Kerala is beautiful.
Yes, it is very beautiful.
Section 3. Talking about time. Now let's talk about time.
Listen.
I traveled last year.
Again, I traveled last year. You can also say last month, last week, last summer.
David, when did you travel?
I traveled last summer.
Great sentence.
You're doing great too.
Section 4. Talking about transport.
Now, how did you travel? Listen carefully.
I traveled by train.
Again, I traveled by train.
Other examples?
By bus, by car, by plane.
David, how did you travel to Kerala?
I traveled by plane.
Nice. Very clear English. Section 5. Talking about staying, hotel or home.
Now, let's talk about staying.
Listen.
I stayed in a hotel.
Again, I stayed in a hotel.
You can also say,
I stayed with my family. I stayed at my friend's house.
Lily, where did you stay?
I stayed in a small hotel.
Good job.
Section 6. Talking about feelings. Travel is about feelings.
Yes. How did you feel?
Listen. I felt happy. Again, I felt happy.
Other feelings.
I felt excited. I felt relaxed. I felt tired.
Lily, how did you feel on your trip?
I felt excited and happy.
That's a great answer.
Section 7. Simple real-life dialogue. Now let's do a real conversation. Listen first. David, where did you travel? I traveled to Agra. David, how did you travel? I traveled by train. David, how was the trip? It was great.
Now listen again.
And repeat with us.
You're improving already.
Section 8. Talking about food while traveling.
Food is important when we travel. Yes. Let's talk about food.
Listen.
I ate local food.
Again, I ate local food.
Examples.
I ate street food. I ate at a restaurant.
Lily, what did you eat?
I ate local food and street food.
Nice. Very natural English.
Section 9. Talking about places you like.
Now let's say what we like.
Listen. I liked the beach.
Again, I liked the beach.
Other examples.
I liked the mountains. I liked the city.
David, what did you like?
I liked the weather and the food.
Great sentence. By Section 10. Encouragement and practice.
You're doing really well.
Yes, even small sentences are great.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
And practice every day. Section 11. Talking about first-time travel. Now let's talk about first-time travel.
Listen first. It was my first trip. Again, it was my first trip.
Very simple sentence.
You can say, it was my first trip to Delhi.
Lily, was it your first trip to Goa?
Yes, it was my first trip to Goa.
Nice. Clear and natural.
Friends, you can try now.
It was my first trip to...
Good job. Section 12. Talking about who you traveled with.
Now let's talk about people.
Who did you travel with?
Listen, I traveled with my family. Again?
I traveled with my family. Other examples?
I traveled with my friends. I traveled alone.
David, who did you travel with?
I traveled with my friends.
That's a great answer. Section 13. Talking about weather during travel.
Weather is important when we travel.
Yes. Listen. The weather was good. Again, the weather was good. Other words for weather? It was hot. It was cold. It was rainy.
Lily, how was the weather?
It was warm and sunny.
Nice English.
Section 14. Talking about problems while traveling. Sometimes travel is not perfect.
Yes, problems happen.
Listen carefully.
I had a problem.
Again, I had a problem.
Examples.
The bus was late. The hotel was small. I was tired.
Lily, did you have any problem?
Yes, the bus was late.
That's okay. Good sentence.
Section 15. Asking, how was your trip?
This is a very common question.
Listen.
How was your trip?
Again, how was your trip?
Simple answers.
It was good. It was great. It was okay.
Lily, how was your trip?
It was great.
Nice and easy.
Section 16. Talking about taking photos. Do you take photos when you travel?
Yes. Listen.
I took many photos.
Again.
I took many photos. Other examples?
I took photos of food. I took photos of places.
David, did you take photos?
Yes, I took many photos.
Great sentence. Section 17. Talking about shopping while traveling.
Many people like shopping.
Yes. Listen.
I bought souvenirs.
Again, I bought souvenirs.
Other examples.
I bought clothes. I bought gifts.
Lily, what did you buy?
I bought gifts for my family.
That sounds lovely.
Section 18. Talking about returning home. Every trip ends.
Yes.
Listen. I came back home.
Again, I came back home. You can also say, I returned home.
David, when did you come back?
I came back last week.
Nice sentence. Section 19. Full slow practice conversation.
Now let's practice everything together.
Listen first.
Where did you travel? I traveled to Jaipur.
How did you travel? I traveled by train.
Who did you travel with?
I traveled with my family.
How was the trip?
It was great.
Now listen again.
And repeat slowly. Excellent work. Section 20. Confidence boost for learners.
We want to say something important. You don't need big words.
Small sentences are perfect.
Speak slowly.
Practice every day.
You are learning real English.
And you are doing great.
Section 21. Talking about travel plans. Simple future. Now let's talk about future travel.
Listen first.
I want to travel.
Again, I want to travel.
Very common sentence.
You can add a place.
I want to travel to Goa.
David, where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to the mountains.
Nice. Very clear English.
Now you try.
I want to travel to.
Good job.
Section 22. Talking about travel dreams.
Some trips are dreams. Yes, dream trips.
Listen.
It is my dream trip.
Again, it is my dream trip.
Lily, what is your dream trip?
My dream trip is Paris.
Wow, nice sentence.
Friends, you can say, my dream trip is.
Section 23. Talking about length of travel. Now let's talk about time.
Listen carefully.
I stayed for 3 days.
Again, I stayed for 3 days.
Other examples.
I stayed for 1 week. I stayed for 2 days.
Lily, how long did you stay?
I stayed for 5 days.
Excellent.
Section 24. Talking about travel schedule.
Let's talk about daily plans. Listen.
I woke up early.
Again, I woke up early.
More examples.
I woke up late. I slept early.
David, what did you do in the morning?
I woke up early and went out.
Nice and simple.
Section 25. Talking about sightseeing. Sightseeing means seeing places.
Listen.
I went sightseeing.
Again, I went sightseeing.
Examples.
I saw famous places. I visited temples.
Lily, did you go sightseeing?
Yes, I went sightseeing.
Great. Section 26. Talking about walking and exploring.
Many people like walking.
Yes, listen.
I walked a lot.
Again.
I walked a lot. Other sentences.
I walked in the city. I walked near the beach.
David, did you walk a lot?
Yes, I walked a lot.
Good job.
Section 27. Talking about tiredness. Travel can be tiring.
Listen, I was tired. Again, I was tired.
More examples.
I was very tired. I was a little tired.
Lily, how did you feel at night?
I was tired but happy.
Perfect sentence. Section 28. Talking about resting.
Rest is important.
Yes, listen. I took some rest. Again, I took some rest. Other examples.
I relaxed in my room. I slept early. David, did you rest?
Yes, I took some rest.
Nice.
Section 29. Slow real-life conversation. Repeat practice. Now listen to a slow conversation.
Listen first.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to Manali. How long do you want to stay? I want to stay for 3 days. What do you want to do? I want to relax and eat good food. Now listen again. Now you can say it.
Excellent.
Section 30. Encouraging the listener. We know learning English is not easy, but you are trying. That is important. Even one sentence is progress. Speak every day. Listen every day. You are improving. Section 31. Common travel words, simple. Let's review some easy words. Trip, hotel, train, food, photos, rest. Say them slowly.
Good job.
Section 32. Final long practice talk. Let's put everything together. Listen carefully. I traveled with my family. I stayed for 4 days. I went sightseeing. I ate local food. I was tired but happy. Listen again. Now you can say it. Excellent.
Wrap up, recap plus community question.
Let's recap today's key phrases.
I traveled to.
I traveled last year.
I traveled by train.
I stayed in a hotel.
I felt happy.
I liked the food.
Great job, everyone.
We're proud of you.
Now, a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments.
Where did you travel last?
Or,
Where do you want to travel next?
we can't wait to read your answers.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing. See you in the next episode.